let's be honest. Like when I'm packing, it's just like I want the boxes that fit the stuff. I just go up to Storage King and I want the right boxes, I want the right sizes. I know that is one of the things I rarely am thrifty with. I don't know why, because I'm thrifty in everything, but when it comes to just moving,
Is
I
it
just
because it protects your goods better?
I think so because then yeah, and also then they're all the right sizes. They stack properly and just everything, yeah. And it's also takes the aggravation out of, yeah, there's just little aggravation then because you know exactly what size your boxes are, what'll fit in them, and all of that sort of stuff. Whereas when you go, because heaps of people, they'll go and pick them up from, Bunnings and places, they have good boxes. It's not like some of them are really good, but they're weird sizes. You've got to go and get them. They're not flat, so they don't fit in your car.